Hey, hi, and hello guys, welcome back to YarnTailCrochetCo. My name is Cynthia and I love to crochet. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you have not subscribed yet, hit that button. Today's video is going to be a little different than some of my other videos. I am taking you guys to Wonderland with me and we are going to crochet the day away. So we went to Wonderland with my 7-year-old, and so we stayed kind of in like the Planet Snoopy area, and a lot of those rides you can go on with your kid if you want. My kid likes to be independent and just ride by herself, so I was like, I'm just gonna bring crochet and we'll see how many roses I can make throughout the day. So yeah, this is just a quick, I'm hoping quick little video of the day we spent at Wonderland and how many roses I ended up crocheting by the end of the day. Enjoy! So it is Monday, July 29th. It is a day off from work, so we are going to be taking my little one to Wonderland today. But before we do that, I have some things that I need to do. So first things first, I'm gonna go drop off my order at the mailbox, which is exciting. Normally I have to actually go to the post office and like purchase the postage, but now that I have all the stuff that I need to do that, I can just like put it right in the box, not have to worry. So we're gonna go and do that right now. Alright guys, the order is off to its new home. Thank you so much, Edie. I hope you love your rose curtain tie backs. They were so cute. Love the choice of pink. I just went into Shoppers, picked up a few snacks and things, and yeah, we're going to be leaving for Wonderland soon. I am trying to decide what crochet project I want to bring. I'm thinking of making just like a bunch of granny squares and making a bag, but yeah, we'll see. Hey guys, we're like 20 minutes away from Wonderland.
Yes!
McDonald's lunch. I have not done so well on my roses. I've made one full one and I'm almost done a second full one. I was honestly expecting to make more than that, but whatever. I'm gonna be crocheting throughout the park too because I'm a parent of a 7-year-old. I don't go on rides. So we've been at Wonderland now for like, what, like 3 hours? 2 hours? 3 hours? And Lonnie's having so much fun going on all the rides. I've literally been crocheting. I think I have finished 2 black roses, a red rose, almost done another red rose, and then I'm almost done a black rose. So it has been a very productive day. So in case anyone is curious as to how I'm crocheting in the park, it's coming out of my bag. On time! I had a bite and it already spilled on me. Icy time. So we've been here, what, 4.5 hours now. 4.5 hours, and I've got 5 black roses done and a red rose done. I have half a red rose because I ran out of red. And then I do still have pink, and I think I have enough to make 1 more black rose, so we'll see what happens before the trip. Alright, we're wrapping up our adventure at Wonderland. My daughter got this awesome hat, so I'm gonna wear it to the car. Yeah, we're gonna wrap this up at home. Alright, we are finally home from our day at Wonderland. It was a lot of fun. I think I got a lot done, but let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the black roses just need to be like spun up and their sepals put on. And then we got 1 red rose, and then this much left of a second red rose. I needed more red just to finish it. And then I got this far on another black rose, but unfortunately my daughter ended up getting hurt at the playground, so we had to take care of her. And then we went on 2 more rides and then just left for the day. At that point I just stopped crocheting and we just finished up the day together and had fun. I did almost run out of my black though. And since I ran out of my red, my husband was sweet enough to stop at Michael's on our way home, making me a very happy wife. So I grabbed the loops and threads in bright red so that I can hopefully finish off this rose. And then I also grabbed the Bernat Super Value in black. I was gonna get the loops and threads in black, but I just find for some reason the black is like rough, like it's not soft. So I decided to go with the Bernat when it came to black. Honestly, the first time I found it, it was at Walmart and they don't have loops and threads. So that's why I was like, why not? Got to use a 30% off coupon on it. There you go. So Bernat. So yeah, for the rest of the night, I am just gonna put the sepals, or I'm gonna crochet the sepals and put these roses together. And then I'm going to list them into my shop. And by the time this video is uploaded, they will be in my shop and available for purchase. So yeah, this was definitely a super fun video to film. It is the first time that I've actually done a vlog out in public. I honestly thought I was going to be more embarrassed talking to myself and crocheting in public, but I wasn't. I even had I overheard a lady who was like, oh my god, she's crocheting with black, like that's so hard. So it was kind of funny hearing the comments, but nobody was rude to me. Everybody just kind of let me do my thing and I got some stuff done. So yeah, if you like this video, if you want more videos like this, let me know. Like I said, it was kind of fun doing it out in public, but it's kind of hard to do all the time. So yeah, let me know what you thought. If you thought I was going to make more roses or not, but you know, I do have a 7-year-old, so my main focus is her, and I was just doing them kind of in my spare time throughout the day. I think we ended up being there a total of like 6 hours, maybe 7 hours. So I mean, I'm pretty happy with my progress, and crocheting in the car makes me a little car sick, so I didn't do too much crocheting in the car. But yeah, so if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Smash that like button, hit the notification button, that way you can get notified of all my future videos. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This one was fun. So see you in the next one. Bye.